I'm going to show you how to upload lesson plans. You're going to go into Office 365 and go into Teams. This is where we're going to retrieve our lesson plans. If you weren't already in Teams, you would click on Teams over here and then go into the HCE Kindergarten group. Then you would click Files. You're going to notice a couple of folders there. For this week, we're going to click on week 1 for 2021. You have the option to select this button, the button circles on the side. You're going to click download these. Oh, I guess you know what? That's right. You have to download them individually because if not, they download them in a zip file. So you're going to download each individual one. You click the little dots on the side and click download. Dots on the side, download. And then you are going to, once you have them downloaded onto your computer, you're going to go back to CCISD portal where we're going to go to Schoology and we're going to log in for staff students. You're going to come up to your courses and you're going to go to lesson plans. There's a folder for the lesson plan for the year 2021. We're going to go into there. We have the first 6 weeks. Then it has lists it by week of 6 weeks. We're in the week of August 18th. We're going to click that folder. You're going to select Submit Assignment. And you're going to click this right here, which is File. I'm going to go to my downloads. That's where it is. I select Command to select multiple of them at the same time. You're going to click Open. And then you'll see when they're complete, it gives you that message. And then you're going to hit Submit. And then once you see hit Submit, I'm not going to submit them because they're not ready to be submitted. But once you hit Submit, over here on this little area, it pops up your little saying they've been submitted and they are on time or late if you submitted them late.